Hey YouTube Nation, hey, how you guys doing? So here we are, again, December 15th, 2021, out here working. I just been real busy. If you guys hear this in the background, it's a little community church here in my trailer park, just giving a little, they're giving like a service, a church service, so please don't mind them. I think it's something positive, so I don't see a problem with it being in the background. So again, you guys, this is I work out of my driveway. This is my driveway here. I'm going to show you guys right now what I do for a living. Like I said, I I specialize in Duramaxes, Powerstrokes, Cummins, Internationals, Sprinters, Mercedes-Benz diesel, things like that. So let me go ahead and show you guys how this works. These are some of the trucks I'm working on. Let me go ahead and walk over here, you guys. Here we go. So here we go. This is the first F-250 that I'm working on. This thing is sitting here right here. As you can see, this one's gonna get ready to be, this one here I'm gonna end up rebuilding the engine. So this one's got a misfire number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and rebuild that engine on it. You guys will get to see me tear that whole front end off, and I'm actually going to explain to you guys the full process, all the way from taking the engine out all the way over to rebuilding it itself. Again, the channel is not meant for this, but this is just a little perk that I'm adding to the things that I do. I know there's a lot of guys out there already explaining. I don't know how much in detail, but I'm definitely going to get a little bit of detail. So we keep going right here. Hey, there's a fifth wheel that somebody gave me as part of a payment for a headset that I did for somebody. There's the old parts that I just finished from a dually I finished not too long ago. I got the pictures of it. No video, because this is the first time I take video of anything, you guys. These are two Powerstroke 6.0 heads that are off of this engine right here. This engine is a Powerstroke 6.0 that's off of this truck right here. This truck is a 2006 F250 4x4. You can see it right here. There it is, Powerstroke F250. Excuse the lighting, you guys. It's my driveway. It's already almost going to be nighttime. So like I said, this truck right here, I tear the whole front end off of them, and then I go ahead and bring them out, tear them down. This one I'm going to put ARP head studs. I'm going to reseal the entire motor. You guys already caught it where I'm tearing it apart. You guys will get to see me building this engine. And like I said, on the next one, you'll be able to see me go ahead and tear that whole truck down, take that engine out and tear it down. I'm going to be very detailed about the way I do it, so you guys can learn some of the tricks of the trade that I know, that I've had to put a lot of experience into learning. So again, this is the one that I just finished. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys where this is going. So again, this truck right here is going to be a engine that I'm gonna rebuild. It's a 2004 F350. It's actually the first gen 6.0, the one with the log at the top, not the noodle for the high pressure oil rail, and the intake manifold in the back. That it's a U. It's a rectangle instead of a U. So this is what I'm doing right here, you guys. So please don't mind me. Here it goes.